Hello, this is Decimal, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to change the velocity settings on your EP-133. So first, what you're going to want to do is open up the system settings by pressing Shift and Erase at the same time. Now you need to navigate to the pad settings, and you can use the plus and the minus button to change the setting. So you want to look for pad. Once you find it, press enter. The next step is to find the velocity settings by pressing the plus and minus button. Once you find VLE, then press enter. The next step is to select the velocity mode. You have three different modes. You have off, low, and high. In this example, I'm going to be showing you all three and what they do. Velocity pads are off by default, so I'm going to show you what low does, and I'm going to press enter. The next step is to hit main. Now let's hear what low sounds like. When the pads are set to low, you are going to need more force to trigger the pad. I'm now going to set the pads to high by pressing Shift and Erase at the same time. Then I'm going to navigate to pad and press enter. After that, I'm going to change the velocity setting and then press enter, and I'm going to select the velocity mode to high and press enter once again. I'm going to press menu, and now let's hear what high sounds like. When the velocity mode is set to high, you are going to need less force to trigger the pad, so you can get really soft tones with this pretty easily. Now to conclude this video, I'm going to show you what it sounds like when the velocity mode is set to off. This is what it is by default. So yeah, now the pads don't have any velocity sensitivity. Thank you very much for watching. I have more videos and tutorials coming out about the EP-133, including a really interesting video about it too. So yeah, stay tuned, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. Peace out.